Hey guys, my name is Cristal Garcia and I am a real estate listing broker in southern New Mexico with Exit Realty Horizons in Las Cruces. And if you are watching this video, it's probably because you are a first-time home seller and you're wondering, is it even possible to sell my house right now with a mortgage? Well, I am here to explain all that, so let's get right to it. If you're asking yourselves, can I sell my house if I have a mortgage? Then you're probably either needing to relocate, maybe you need to upsize your house or downsize your home, and you're probably a first-time home seller. You bought a house and life just happened, and now you're needing to sell it. Well, the answer is, but you have to stick around for the information on how it all works. The answer is yes, you can definitely do that. But you need to be aware of some potential setbacks. So let me cut to the chase. Your home has to sell for a bit more than what you currently owe. And if you don't know how much you owe, go ahead and contact your mortgage company. Have them provide you with what is called a payoff amount statement. This is a statement that will let you know the exact amount that you owe. All right, so now you know how much you owe on your home. Let's say you still owe about $100,000 to make it easy, and you sell your home for $150,000. Well, I'd say that's pretty good. If you can sell your home for that price, then there are no issues. I don't see any issues. What happens is the $100,000 gets paid off, while the extra $50,000 will help you pay your closing costs, and you get to keep the money, the rest of the money in your pocket. Maybe you could use that for a down payment for your next house. I don't know. Well, that all sounds good, Crystal. Why do you say there are any setbacks? Well, here's why. Because let's say you owe $100,000, but you can only sell your home for $95,000. Well, now you're underwater. And yeah, you can still sell it. Of course you can still sell it, but you'll have to come up with cash money to make up the difference to pay off that mortgage. And on top of that, pay your realtor, get your home repairs done, any title or escrow expenses. Now, if you have the money and you just want to get rid of the home, then that's up to you, right? If you don't have the money to pay all that extra, then financially you might not be able to sell it. If you are stuck in a situation where financially it just does not make sense and it's going to cost you money to sell your house, I recommend you talk to a financial advisor. I'm sure that they can guide you in respect to your finances. You also want to contact a listing broker within your area to get a CMA done on your home. A CMA is like a home value report that tells you how much you could possibly sell your home for. If you want to learn what a CMA is, at the end of this video, go ahead and click the link that I provided in the description below. Now, you don't have to decide on this alone. Allow us professionals to bring you solid and true information and decide what's best for your situation. Now, let me go back to the happy story of you selling your home for more than what you currently owe. The process is very simple, guys. Contact a listing broker, learn how much you can sell your house for, ask how much they would estimate your closing costs to be, and see if that bottom line makes sense for your situation. Once you sell your house, your mortgage gets paid off, you'll have enough profits from the sale to pay all your selling expenses and end up with some money in your bank account. People do this all the time, so make sure you connect with a superstar of a broker because we can make this process very simple and painless. That is all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions regarding this video, please put the question in the comments below and I will be sure to reach out and get that answered for you. If you are in southern New Mexico and you are needing to sell your house, well, give me a call. My full contact is in the description box below. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up to like it. And don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. That is all, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.